We are all drawn to children. Their passion for life, their zest for life is something to learn from. But what is a child? I believe that a child is synonymous to a free person, to freedom. When we look at children, we are deeply impressed by their inner freedom and their ability to express it 24 hours a day. What makes a child free? As a wise man once said, it is three different things. One is that they never keep a grudge. They never do. They can never be upset for more than a few minutes, especially if you reward them with an ice cream or reward to their taste. Secondly, they are always productive. They are never bored. Boredom is the worst enemy. They have to feel that they are contributing to society to the best of their abilities. And thirdly, they have dreams and they pursue them aggressively. Children, in short, are people who are free because they can advance and move forward while never looking back, never keeping a grudge. Secondly, they have the most incredible desire to grow and to fight boredom so that they can be productive. And thirdly, as we said, they are always aggressively pursuing their dreams. In order to be free, one needs to leave behind any type of slavery mentality and know that in order to be free and to truly be productive as children are, then these three components are essential.